In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily transfer files from your Android phone to your Mac. So if you are trying to transfer files from your Android phone to your Mac and you are having a little bit of difficulty, I will show you how you can do it quickly and efficiently in today's video. So the first thing you will need to do is head over to the browser of your choice and you will need to search for Android File Transfer. Once you search for Android File Transfer, you can click on this top search result here. So once you are on this page here, you will need to download this program in order to get the files or videos from your Android phone onto your Mac. So once you have that downloaded on your Mac, what you will need is the USB that comes with your mobile phone in order to connect. And then you can open Android File Transfer. As you can see, it says that there's no Android device found on my phone, so what you need to do now is simply plug in your mobile and then you will need to unlock it in order for it to work. So as you can see, there is nothing there right now, but if you click allow access on your mobile, what that will do is it will give you access to all of the files that are on your phone. So what you need to do to get the files from your Android phone onto your Mac is go to the DCIM folder. And then you will need to go down to, for example, screen recordings, because that is what I am transferring over today. So then I'm going to open up Finder, and then I'm going to find the folder that I want to transfer it to. So for me, I'm just going to move my files over to my downloads folder here. So what I can do is I can simply find the files that I want to move. So as you can see, I have selected 3 files here in order to move from my Android phone over to my Mac. So if I click and drag and put these in my downloads, as you can see, it is now copying the items over and the items are now on my Mac. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.